What's up, good people? Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today, I'm going to be trying out and reviewing the O-Cedar EasyWring Rinse Clean Microfiber Spin Mop System. And this is a 2-tank system, meaning you don't have to keep using the same dirty water to mop with. You just wring it out and it goes into a separate tank. So I decided I wanted to try this out. My husband had brought some dogs into my house, and I told him, I'm gonna need this mop. This is a $50 mop. But I'm gonna, show you guys what I think about it. Was it worth the money or not? But first thing I'm gonna do is sweep, and I specifically got this couch just so that I can get under it and sweep and Swiffer and mop and whatever I need to do. So that's the first thing that I'm doing here, is just reaching pretty much everywhere in my house and just going ahead and sweeping. And now for the unboxing. So when you take out this mop, you're going to see that it comes with the inner tank, the outer tank. The inner tank is where you're going to hold the fresh water. The outer tank is where the dirty water will be released to. You also have the red plastic attachment that you attach to the stick. And then you have the actual mop head that is removable and machine washable. Now the inner blue tank is going to have a small hole in it, and inside of that hole is where you're going to put your warm water or regular water in. And then you'll see a place where you can step, and that's where you're going to be able to wring the mop head. So I filled the inner blue tank with warm water, and then I went ahead and added some antibacterial Fabuloso. Now this is an optional step because the mop box packaging actually says that you don't have to add any solution and that it'll kill 99% of germs with just water. But I feel like since I'm mopping anyways, I might as well just add a little bit of extra power. And then you're going to see a red tab, and you're just going to lift it up, and the clean water is going to release, and you can go ahead and wet your mop. And then if you want to wring the mop out, you use the second compartment and you use the step, and it'll just wring it out for you. Very nice and simple. It was hard for me at first to kind of get the step thing going, but then I realized I was actually holding on to the stick too tight, so that's why I wasn't allowed to spin. So just lightly hold it. And now we can start mopping, and I must say, like, this was such a fun experience, especially if you kind of enjoy cleaning. I was able to get into like a lot of hard to get spots, and it was just, really nice to know that I could get like a really good clean. And again, when you're using the spin step, make sure that you're holding the mop very lightly, because again, if you hold it too tight, it will not spin. I've been using a Swiffer for a while, mainly because I have vinyl floors and I was kind of afraid to use a mop because I didn't want my floors to get too soaking wet. But as you'll see here, like with the spin system, it allows you to wring the mop out really well to where here you see even me shaking the mop, it's not dripping on the floor or anything like that. So you can tell, like, even though the mop head is wet, it's not soaked. And now I'm going to dump out this dirty water, which I'm kind of ashamed to do, but yeah, I just want to show you guys that this mop system works very well. Yeah, my water was extremely dirty, but in my defense, I did mop my utility room, which was very dusty, off camera. But either way, it's very, very dirty, but also very satisfying, knowing that I was able to get my floors truly clean. So yes, I definitely recommend getting the O-Cedar 2-tank system over the 1-tank system by O-Cedar, because imagine me mopping my floors with this dirty water. I just can't even imagine. So again, thank you all for tuning into my channel today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Peace.